Good morning, students. Just a recall of so far we studied. What are the things so far we discussed? Just the rotations. Already we discussed about rotations. There are two types of rotations. One is clockwise, another one is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is positive theta, clockwise is negative theta. We discussed about the rotations. And again we discussed about the quadrants. We discussed about quadrants. First quadrant, second one, third, fourth. In this first quadrant, we have some technical knowledges like AST concept. We already discussed about this AST concept. Meaning of AST concept: A means all positive, S means sine and its reciprocal positive, T means tan and its reciprocal positive, C means cos and its reciprocal positive. We discussed about this one also. Then ratios. We already discussed about ratios. Ratios of positive theta and ratios of negative theta, and another one complementary 90 minus. These all things are we discussed. The ratios of positive, that means the fundamentals, sine, cos, then tan. Basic concept we already discussed. In the same way, we discussed the sine of minus, cos of minus, tan of minus. This is also we already discussed it. Again, sine of 90 minus, this is called a complementary. Again, cos of 90 minus, then tan of 90 minus. All these things already we revised. Now, in which quadrant, which angles gets positive? That is the logics of ASTC. Now, related on this, we are going to see a problem. Let us consider sin theta equal to, let us consider sin theta equal to some value 3 by 5. Sin theta equal to some value 3 by 5. Theta lies in first quadrant. Think about first quadrant. Sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Theta lies in the first quadrant. Find all other trigonometrical ratios. All the other trigonometrical ratios. Now listen, we have sin theta equal to 3 by 5. With the help of this sin theta, we are able to find immediately the value of cos theta. Just listen, cos theta is equal to, we have the identities plus or minus square root of 1 minus sine square theta. All these concepts are already we discussed. Now sin theta equal to 3 by 5, then cos theta equal to plus or minus, that means square root of 1 minus sine square means squaring this value 3 by 5, that means we can get 9 by 25. Then take out LCM, 25 minus 9, we can get 16 by 25. From this we can get plus or minus 4 by 5. We can get plus or minus 4 by 5. Now listen carefully the meaning of plus or minus. Whether it may be a positive or it will be a negative. But question itself, they are given data theta lies in first quadrant. Theta lies in first quadrant. Relate this concept with the ASTC. Relate this concept with the ASTC. See now, theta lies in first quadrant means all positive. That means 6 trigonometrical ratios are positive. Therefore, cos theta must have the positive result 4 by 5. So, sin theta is given 3 by 5. It is a positive quantity. Theta lies in first quadrant. So all trigonometrical ratios are positive. Therefore cos gets plus or minus, from this plus or minus we take positive only. Suppose the same question may be asked like this. Instead of theta is first quadrant, they may be given like this. Theta lies in second quadrant. They may be given like this. Theta lies in the second quadrant. By the same concept ASTC, see here, yes. What is the meaning of yes? Sine and its reciprocal cosecant positive. Therefore, already given sine, see positive result. So, sine theta given is positive, but theta lies in the second quadrant. Theta lies in the second quadrant means cos gets negative. Carefully understand. I am explaining different quadrants theta lies. Sin theta is given, permanently given 3 by 5. But theta lies in first quadrant means cos gets positive. Theta lies in the second quadrant means cos theta gets negative. Why? You have to think about these two results. Theta lies in second quadrant means sine family and its reciprocal cosecant family positive. The remaining 4 trigonometrical ratios are negative, so that cos gets negative. If sine having this value, cos having this value, then we are able to find out immediately tan. We are able to find out tan. Tan means sine by cos. We have the value 3 by 5. Divided by, we have the value 4 by 5. Then 5 will be eliminated. Therefore, we can get tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. We can get tan theta equal to 3 by 4. Since theta lies in the first quadrant, it take positive. Suppose if theta lies in the second quadrant, tan also gets negative. Tan also gets negative minus 3 by 4. So, now we are having a clearance. If theta lies in which quadrant? According as theta lies in which quadrant, the trigonometrical values gets either may be a positive or it may be a negative. Sine we are having 3 by 5, then immediately we can reciprocal, take the reciprocal, you are able to find the cosecant. Cos 4 by 5, take the reciprocal, we can get secant. Tan we are having 3 by 4, then immediately we are able to find out the value of cot. This is the fundamentals. So depends upon the quadrant, we are able to use ASTC concept. With the help of this AST concept, the theta lies in which quadrant? According as the second quadrant, sine and the reciprocal. Suppose if it is in third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal cot. Suppose if theta lies in the fourth quadrant, we can work out the AST concept. Take down the same model. We are going to discuss one more question. Secant theta equal to 13 by 5. Theta lies in fourth quadrant. Find all other trigonometrical ratios. The given is secant theta. Immediately we are able to take cos theta. If you take the reciprocal from this, secant, take the reciprocal, we can get cos. Cos equal to 5 by 13. So the immediately cos is the reciprocal of secant. So take the reciprocal, so 5 by 13. See the given data. Theta lies in the fourth quadrant. As per ASTC concept, you know very well about ASTC concept. In ASTC concept, in fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal secant are positive. Therefore, secant given data is positive, its reciprocal also positive. The remaining 4 gets negative. That means cos theta equal to 5 by 13. Immediately we are able to find out sin theta. The value of sin theta equal to, from the identity, we are having the formula square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Square root of 1 minus cos square theta. From this plus or minus symbol, already we explained it. Theta lies in fourth quadrant, cos takes positive, therefore sin gets negative. Root of 1 minus cos square 5 by 13. If you are squaring, you can get 25 divided by 169. That means negative here. We take the LCM, 169 minus 25, we can get 144. 144 divided by 169, we are able to get 12 by 13. If you are taking the square root, you are able to get 12 by 13. This is the value of sin theta. So we are having sin theta minus 12 by 13. Why we are getting negative? Theta lies in the fourth quadrant. Automatically theta lies in the fourth quadrant means sin gets negative. If you are having sin, immediately take the reciprocal cosecant theta equal to, take the reciprocal cosecant theta equal to minus 13 by 12. Here cosecant also lies in the fourth quadrant. That means theta lies in the fourth quadrant, cosecant gets negative. Now you are having the sin theta and you are having the cos theta, then we are able to find tan theta immediately. So we are able to find tan theta. The value of tan theta equal to sin divided by cos. That means minus 12 by 13 divided by, we can get 5 by 13. 13 will be removed. So we can get tan theta is equal to minus 12 by 5. So see here, tan gets negative. Why we are getting negative? It is lies in the fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant means tan gets negative. In the same way, you are able to find out cot theta. Cot theta equal to minus 5 by 12. So you are able to get some ideas. Theta depends upon the theta. We are able to get the symbols. This is the main concept. Depends upon the quadrant. We are able to use the concept of AST. So ASTC is very important to get the symbols for 6 trigonometrical ratios. In the same model, I am giving some homework. You have to try yourself. Listen students. So far we discussed theta lies in first quadrant, and also we discussed about theta lies in the second quadrant. One more sum, we are discussing theta lies in the fourth quadrant. Now take an example. Theta lies in the third quadrant. Consider cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2. Theta lies in third quadrant. Theta lies in third quadrant. So now cos theta is negative. Theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, as per the rule ASTC, T gets positive symbol. T gets positive symbol means its reciprocal cot theta is also positive. Tan and its reciprocal cot theta positive. Now we are having cos theta minus 1 by 2. Immediately we are able to derive sin theta. From the identities, we have the formula sin theta equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos square theta. That means we have plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos square. Square this value. We can get 1 by 2 here. Squaring means we are able to derive 1 by 4. Then take LCM. If you are taking LCM, 4 minus 1. Therefore we can get 3 by 4. From this, root 3 divided by 2. We can get root 3 divided by 2. See, we are having plus or minus symbol here. But sin theta may be plus or minus, but as per this rule, theta lies in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin gets negative. Sin gets negative. So we are having sin theta and cos theta. Immediately we are able to find tan theta. The value of tan theta equal to sin by cos. The value of tan theta equal to sin by cos. Sin you are having minus root 3 by 2. Then divided by cos minus 1 by 2. 2 will be eliminated. Both negative will be cancelled. So tan theta is equal to root 3. Tan theta equal to root 3. Why we are getting positive symbol here? Already I explained theta lies in the third quadrant. See, theta lies in the third quadrant means tan gets positive. With the help of sin, cos, tan, we are able to take 3 reciprocals. We are able to find cosecant. Cosecant also gets negative. Then cos also get negative in the third quadrant. take its reciprocal, you are able to produce secant. In third quadrant, confidently consider this idea, tan theta equal to root 3 positive and its reciprocal cot theta must be positive. The other trigonometrical ratios are negative. That means, other means the remaining 4. The remaining 4, what are the remaining 4? As per rule ASTC, t gets positive in the third quadrant. Its reciprocal also gets positive. The remaining 4, sine and its reciprocal cosecant, cos and its reciprocal secant are negative in the third quadrant. So depends upon the quadrant. Theta lies in which quadrant, the trigonometrical ratios get either positive or negative. Now listen, related on this, same one more questions we are able to discuss. I can explain one more type of questions. It also depends upon the quadrants. We are able to find the trigonometrical values. Now listen, 5 by 7, comma 2 root 6 by 7 is a point. Now instead of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, they are giving in the formation of a point. See, 5 by 7, 2 root 6 by 7 is a point on the terminal side. Is a point on the terminal side in the standard question. Considering again standard question. Then find all 6 trigonometrical ratios. Now think about the point. 5 by 7, 2 root 6 by 7. So immediately draw a circle. Draw a circle. X axis, y axis, x dash, y dash. Now as per the trigonometrical ratios, we have the standard question. This is origin, this is a point, then we can draw PM, this is angle theta. This is angle theta. See in this diagram, OPM is a right angle triangle. Now this is considered to be a point 5 by 7, comma 2 root 6 by 7. So as per the given data, this point lies on the terminal side. Initially we are thinking about initial side and the terminal side. This is the terminal side. OP is the terminal side. This is the point 5 by 7, comma 2 root 6 by 7. From this is x value, this is y value. So 5 by 7 here, this is x value 5 by 7. Generally we are saying x comma y. Here x comma y. So y value is 2 root 6 divided by 7. 2 root 6 divided by 7. Now see the diagram clearly. So this is the given point. This is x value 5 by 7, y value 2 root 6 by 7. Now we need this side. This is the hypotenuse. That means we are able to find the hypotenuse. We are able to find the hypotenuse. Square root of this OM squared. What is the value of OM here? 5 by 7. OM square means 25 divided by 49. Then plus here see PM square. PM square means if you are squaring this value, carefully work out, 2 root 6 divided by 7 square. That means 2 square becomes 4. Root 6 means 6 divided by 7 square means 49. 6 into 4 we can get 24 divided by 49. Carefully square this data. This is 2 root 6. Now adding these two values, 49 by 49, we are getting 49 by 49. That means square root of 49 by 49 is nothing but 1. Therefore this OP, that is the hypotenuse value, is 1. Now we are able to work out from the basic results. What is the value of sine? Sine theta means, see, the value of sine theta. Sine theta means, see here, theta here, opposite side, 2 root 6 divided by 7 divided by 1. 1 is nothing but leave the value. We can get 2 root 6 divided by 7. From this we are able to work out cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Here adjacent 5 by 7, hypotenuse is 1, just leave that. Then tan theta, the value of tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. See 2 root 6 divided by 7 Again 5 by 7, which is divided by 5 by 7. 7 will be removed. We can get 2 root 6 divided by 5. So we are able to work out sin cos tan. From this sin cos tan, take the reciprocals. You are able to obtain the values of cosecant, secant, cot from this data. So previously we are discussing about the values of cos theta or values of sin theta or values of tan theta. Like that given, they are telling about theta lies in which quadrant. But here the formation is in the point formation. They are giving the point. The point is both positive. X and Y both are positive means it lies in the first quadrant only. So from that you are able to get the idea. So now theta lies in the first quadrant. As per rule, trigonometrically, sin cos tan and the three reciprocals are also positive. So in the same way, you are able to work out some fundamentals ideas. Listen students, discuss these type of questions. Sin of minus 45, cos of minus 45, cot of minus 45, cos of minus 45, sin of minus 11,10, then tan of minus 60 degrees. Already we have some basic. Cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, secant of minus theta equal to secant theta. Already we discussed the concept. These are called even functions. These are called even functions. We already discussed about this one. The remaining four, sin of minus theta, then cosecant of minus theta, tan of minus theta, cot of minus theta. All four results will produce minus sin theta, minus cosecant theta, minus tan theta, minus cot theta. See these results. These four functions are called odd functions. We already discussed this one. This is even. Sorry, odd. This is even. Already we worked out. So in this model, we are able to work out sin of minus 45. Apply the concept. Apply the concept. Sin of minus 45. So from this data, sin will emits from this. So we can get minus sin 45. So from this trigonometric table, well known sin 45. So negative 1 by root 2. So sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. Instead of theta, we are having 45 degree. Therefore, we can take sin 45. Sin 45 is the well known minus 1 by root 2. In the same way here, cos of minus 45. Cos of minus 45. From this data, cos observes the negative. It is called even function. Cos observes the negative. Therefore, we can get cos theta. Instead of theta here, we are having positive 45 degree. Therefore, instead of theta, use 45. So, from the trigonometric table, cos 45 means 1 by root 2. So, here sin emits the negative. Here cos observes the negative. In the same way, see here cot 45. We are having cot 45. See this one. So, from the trigonometric data, cot also emits the negative. So, negative comes out cot 45. So, it is minus cot 45. So, keep the negative as it is. From the trigonometric table, cot 45. Reciprocal of tan. Tan 45 means 1. So, reciprocal means 1. Keep producing negative 1. So, here cot emits the negative so that we can get minus 1. See the question number 5. See the question number 5. Sin of minus 1110 degree. See, from the data, sin emits a negative. So, this negative comes out. It will be minus sin of 1110 degree. Now listen, 1110 degree more than 360 degree. Already we discussed it. It takes how many complete rotations? One rotation having 360, second two rotations 720, three rotations 1080. Therefore, it contains three complete rotations. 1110 degree have three complete rotations. 3 into 360. This is 3 into 360. That means it have three complete rotations. Just to subtract from this, we can get 30 degree. Therefore, 1110 degree can be put in the form of minus sine 30. Therefore, just remove the complete rotations. That is the only basic ideas. If you are getting the rotation more than 360, here it has three complete rotations. After three complete rotation, just to subtract, we can get 30 degree. So instead of 1110 degree, we are able to find 30 degree. This type of angles already we discussed. Co-terminal angles already we discussed previously. This is co-terminal angles. So we can find out the value of sine 30. Sine 30 means 1 by 2. Already we are having negative symbol. See the last one, tan of minus 60 degree. Tan of minus 60 degree. See here, tan also emits the negative. Tan also emits a negative. From this negative symbol comes out minus tan 60 degree. So from the trigonometric table, you well know tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is root 3. Tan 60 degree is root 3. It has negative symbol. So this is the concept of ratios of minus theta. The ratios of minus theta is sine of minus, cos of minus, tan of minus. So we are using this one. From this fundamental, you are having very little idea. One is odd function, another one is even function. Cos and secant are called even functions. The remaining four, sine and its reciprocal cosecant, tan and its reciprocal cot, these functions are called odd. Odd has a character, emits the negative. Even has the character, observes the negative. By the basics of the trigonometric table, we are able to produce these type of results. Now listen, in your 10th standard syllabus, you already followed a table. Just I'm showing a table. From this lower standard, you already used 0 degree values, then 30 degree values, then 45 degree values, then 60 degree values, then 90 degree values. Already to find out or worked out. From this, now we are going to find out some new concept. What are the new concepts we are going to find out? We are going to find out 180 degree, 270 degree, then 360 degree. We are going to find out newly 180, 270, 360. These data we are going to find out. It is very simple knowledge. Listen. Draw a circle. Consider it is a unit circle. Consider it is a unit circle. The meaning of unit circle is nothing but radius is 1. So it is 1, 0. Here we can get minus 1, 0. Here we can get 0, 1. Here we can get 0, minus 1. With the help of this, we are able to produce 180, 270, 360. Listen, I am taking a triangle in the first quadrant. Consider this is origin. This is a point P of x, y. This is a point P of x, y. Now it has an angle theta. It has an angle theta. Here this is x coordinate, x value. This is y. This is radius. But here radius is 1. So we are considering it is a unit circle. So radius equal to 1. Already well known this diagram. You are everyone clear about this diagram. The new concept is this is nothing but we can write also in general. a point lies on a circle is considered to be r cos theta, comma r sin theta. It is considered to be r cos theta, r sin theta. Any point lies on the circumference of a circle. It is nothing but r cos theta, comma r sin theta. You are able to derive from this. See this diagram. What is the value of cos theta from this diagram? Cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent is x. Hypotenuse is 1. That means x by 1. The value is x. So x coordinate is x is cos theta. The same way, what is the basic of sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. See here opposite is y, hypotenuse is 1. Therefore we can say y. So that instead of this coordinate p of x comma y, it can be put in the form of r cos theta, but here r is unit 1. The same way, here the r is 1. So p cos theta, comma sin theta. So it is nothing but p of x comma y. Listen carefully. Already listen. This point cos theta, sin theta reaches this place, this coincides with the x-axis. Then theta becomes 0. Once again listen, this point P of x comma y coincides with the x-axis, this place. Then theta becomes 0. Now first one, theta becomes 0 degree. If theta becomes 0 degree means this x comma y becomes, this x value becomes 1, y value becomes 0. Therefore, see here, I am replacing cos 0, comma sin 0. I am replacing theta equal to 0 degree, it becomes cos 0, comma sin 0. Cos 0, comma sin 0 means the value is 1, comma 0. The value is 1, comma 0. That means we already well know cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. In the same way, listen, theta equal to 90 degree. Theta equal to 90 degree. Replace this theta. So now cos 90, comma sin 90. Cos 90, comma sin 90. That means theta becomes 90 degree means this terminal side OP coincides with this point. So it becomes 0, comma 1. Here the point moves this place and coincides with it. Consider this is A, consider this is B, then C, then D. So now the point P coincides with B. That means x comma y becomes 0, comma 1. Then theta becomes 90 degree. So we are able to work out cos 90 as 0, sin 90 as 1.